Hi, this is Senthilnathan, mathematics teacher for class 12.
Consider this relation T1, T2 such that T1 is congruent to T2. That means if two triangles are congruent, then that is a relation. That relation contains two triangles such that these two are congruent. So you just try for reflexive. Just I will explain, you just continue. A and A is always congruent, right? Congruent means same as it is, it will be the right. 9th standard you studied about the congruence triangles, right? So A is congruent to A, so it will reflexive. Then symmetric, A is congruent to B, then what we can say? B is congruent to A. Great. For example, I am writing AB. Actually, you have to write T1, T1, T2, T1, T2, T2, T1. You have to write. Then transitive means transitive. It is nothing but T1 is congruent to T2. Then T2 is congruent to T3. After that, we can say T1 is congruent to T3. So it is transitive. Therefore, we can say that it is equivalence relation. This you write as it is like this. That is nothing but triangle 1 is congruent to the same triangle. Both are same. Triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2. Then what we can say? Triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 1. Then symmetric is triangle 1 congruent to triangle 2. Triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 3. Then from these two we can say triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 3 also. Therefore it is transitive. Same thing for similar triangles. Suppose T1 is similar to T2 they given means the same triangle is similar to the same triangle. One triangle is similar to second one. Second is similar to first one. First two triangles are similar. Second and third triangles are similar. Then first and third are similar. So for triangle congruent and similar triangles they given means it is equivalence relation. So what do you think about lines? Suppose two lines they given. Two lines are parallel they given. Suppose you consider R is equal to line 1 comma line 2. Two lines such that L1 is parallel to L2. So first line is parallel to second line. So how can you say it is reflexive? Line 1 is parallel to line 1, right? Always first line is parallel to the first line. That means congruent lines. Two congruent lines are parallel, we can say, right? Two lines are parallel. The two lines are nothing but congruent lines. Same lines if we are considering means that is concurrent lines only, no? So that it is parallel, we can say. Then line 1 is parallel to line 2. Then what we can say? Line 2 is parallel to line 1 also we can say, right? Like this we can say. Transitive means L1 line 1 is parallel to line 2. Then line 2 is parallel to the third line, another line. Then from this what we can say? First line is parallel to third line also. Therefore it is transitive. So it is reflexive, transitive, symmetric. Three also satisfy. Therefore this relation is equivalence relation we can say. Suppose instead of this parallel, suppose they given perpendicular means you think about, is it equivalence relation? Think. First line is perpendicular to one line is perpendicular to the same line. Is it true? I will not say the answer, you just think. Symmetric. First line is perpendicular to second line. Second line is perpendicular to first line. Is it true? First line is perpendicular to second line. Second line is perpendicular to third line. Then what do you think about first line and the third line? Is it perpendicular? Think. All these three relations you just think and write. Okay, as it is you think and write.